Today we are doing 563 divided by 4, and we are going to use the area model method, which means we're going to be multiplying 4 by big numbers to try to chip our way up this mountain and get up to 536, because when you divide, you're also multiplying. We're saying 4 times what equals 63. So, you know, if we could do 4 times 100, it gets you up to 400, and then 4 times 20 gets you up to 80, and we're just trying to climb our way up that mountain, okay? So we are going to draw our area model, and we're doing the 563 in the middle because we're multiplying things to get to it. The answer will go up here, the quotient, and the divisor, the 4, goes here. So 4 times something, 4 times something, 4 times something, and we're just trying to chip our way off of this number. So let's look at this. Could we do 4 times something to get to 500? Or, you know, you could do 4 times 100 to get up to 400, just start chipping away. You could also think of it like this. Instead of 500, which is a pretty intimidating number, you could just think of it as 50. So 4 times something gets you up to 50, because 50 is a little more manageable of a number. And then just put your 0 back in later. So if you know your families, then you know 4 times something will get you to 48, which is close enough. You can also skip count though. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. Count those, it's 12. 4 times 12 will get you up to 48, but you know, we're trying to get up to the hundreds here, so we're going to put that 0 in. 4 times 120 is 480, and we're trying to get to 563, so I think 480 is a good place to start. So here's what that looks like. Put the 120 up here. We're saying 4 times 120 is going to make some progress on our mountain. 4 times 120 is 480. And that's how far we've made it so far. We've done 480. And now we're trying to figure out how much we have left to go, meaning the difference. So to find the difference in math, you subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. 6 minus 8 can't do it. 16 minus 8 is 8. And 4 minus 3 is, or 4 minus 4, sorry, is 0. So we have 83 left to go of our mountain. Put that in here. So we're not done with it. And now we're doing 83 divided by 4 because we already took care of a big chunk. Okay, but I mean, do you really want to do 83 divided by 4? Wouldn't you rather do 80 divided by 4? Actually, wouldn't you rather do 8 divided by 4? I mean, we're thinking about 80, but I mean, just forget about that 0 for a second, right? What about 8 divided by 4? 4 times what equals 8? You got it, 2. 4 times 2 equals 8. Therefore, 4 times 20 equals 80. Let's do that. I mean, that's going to get us quite a ways. I mean, we've already chipped away. We chipped away 480, and then we chipped away another 80. We are basically at the top. I mean, we are like that far away. How much further do we have to go? 3. Awesome. So we got 3 left over. Great. Okay, 3 divided by 4. What? That does not make sense, does it? Doesn't make sense at all. You can't do it. So this means this is left over. This is our remainder. That means if I was trying to divide, you know, if I had 563 brownies and I was trying to divide them up onto 4 plates, I would end up with 3 left over that I just can't divide evenly. So this is our remainder. Remainder 3. Therefore, 563 divided by 4 is 120 plus 20, which is 140. Remainder 3. What this means is you can't multiply 4 times anything to hit 563 exactly, but you can hit 560. And then the 3 is 561, 562, 563. So 4 times 140 is 560, and that's why 563 divided by 4 is 140, remainder 3. So when you check it, I still want you to check it with multiplication, and here's what that'll look like. We're going to do 140 times 4, and it won't hit 563 because you have the remainder 3, but it should hit 560. So 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times 4 is 1, or sorry, 4 plus 1 is 5, 560, and then the remainder 3 would get you up to 563. All right, so our answer, our quotient, 563 divided by 4 is 140, remainder 3. And we did that by chipping away at this big number. So first we did 4 times 120, which got us 480, and then we did 4 times 2, which got 20, which got us 80. That got us up to 560, and then there was 3 left over.